Which bike handlebar phone mount is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. Let's kick things off with the Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. Priced at $15.98, this one caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 67,300 reviews and high ratings. If you want a reliable mount that keeps your phone secure during bumpy rides, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Lamicall holder grips each corner of your phone tightly, ensuring it stays put even on rough terrain. It features shock-proof protection thanks to silicone pads that keep your phone safe from scratches and vibrations. Plus, it fits phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, accommodating popular models like the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S24. With a simple one-hand operation, you can easily adjust your phone to horizontal or vertical orientation, making it convenient for navigation or answering calls. Now, some people complained about the installation process, saying it can be tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite easy, and the peace of mind it gives while riding is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're someone who rides a lot and needs a sturdy, dependable mount. Skip this one if you're just looking for a temporary solution that you don't plan to use often. Now, if the Lamicall holder's installation difficulty bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LISEN Bike Phone Holder. Next up is the LISEN Bike Phone Holder, priced at just $9.98. This one stood out because it's incredibly affordable and has garnered over 6,900 reviews with a solid 4.6-star rating. If you want something easy to install without breaking the bank, this is a great option. Here's why this matters for you. The LISEN holder has an ultra-secure grip that holds your phone firmly in place, even when you're speeding down a bumpy path. The silicone design absorbs shocks and prevents scratches, fitting most smartphones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches. Installation is a breeze, no tools are needed, and you can set it up in about 5 seconds, making it perfect for those spontaneous rides when you just want to hit the road. Now, some users reported that it can feel less sturdy compared to pricier options. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning to tackle extreme terrains, this holder is more than capable for casual riding. This is ideal for you if you're a budget-conscious rider who still wants a reliable phone mount. Skip this one if you're looking for something built for heavy-duty use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize style. Product number 3, Lamicall Orange Bike Phone Holder. Now we've got another Lamicall product, this time the Orange Bike Phone Holder retailing for $16.98. It's eye-catching and has the same stellar ratings as the first one. If you want a stylish option that doesn't compromise on safety, this one's worth your attention. Here's why this matters. Just like its sibling, it grips your phone securely and offers shock-proof protection. It's compatible with phones between 4.7 to 6.8 inches, so you'll have no issues fitting your device. The vibrant orange color adds a pop of fun to your bike, and the adjustable features let you switch between horizontal and vertical views easily, perfect for quick glances while cycling. However, some users mention that the bright color might not appeal to everyone. But honestly, if you're looking to add a bit of flair while ensuring your phone stays safe, I think this color is a fun choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable phone holder that also looks good on your bike. Skip this one if you prefer a more understated look. Now, if the color wasn't your thing, the next product takes a more classic approach. Product number 4, Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. Next is the Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder, priced at $17.98. This one is designed with features that truly cater to those who want a user-friendly experience. If you're looking for a mount that won't block your camera while cycling, this is a top contender. The quick release function allows you to install or remove your phone with just one hand, which is super convenient when you're on the go. It fits a range of phones from 4.7 to 7 inches, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. Some users found the adjustment mechanism a bit finicky, which can be annoying. But I'll be real with you, once you get it set up correctly, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you love taking photos while riding and need a reliable mount. Skip this one if you're not a fan of fiddling with adjustments. Now, if you want something with even more versatility, this next option might catch your interest. Product number 5, Lamicall Adjustable Handlebar Phone Mount. Finally, we have the Lamicall Adjustable Handlebar Phone Mount, also priced at $17.98. This one emphasizes ease of use, and I love its practicality. If you want a mount that adjusts effortlessly to your riding style, look no further. Here's why this matters. It features a quick-release function that allows you to mount and dismount your phone with just one hand. The holder can accommodate devices ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches, ensuring compatibility with a vast range of smartphones. Additionally, it has a 360-degree rotation, so you can adjust your phone for optimal viewing while riding. However, a few users mentioned that the rotation feature can feel a bit loose at times. Here's the thing though, it's easy to tighten, and once you find your sweet spot, it stays put. This is perfect for you if you value flexibility and quick access while cycling. Skip this one if you prefer a more rigid setup. So to recap, the Lamicall bike phone holder is great for reliability, the LISEN offers budget-friendly convenience, the Lamicall Orange brings style, the motorcycle mount is perfect for photographers, and the adjustable handlebar mount is all about flexibility. Each has its strengths, so consider what you need most before making a choice.